Imagine a big ship sailing in the ocean. There's a captain, a crew, and passengers. Now, what if the captain doesn't follow the rules? What if the crew hides mistakes? That ship might crash. That's why we need rules and a proper system, not just for ships, but also for companies. This system is called corporate governance. What is corporate governance? Here's the famous definition. Corporate governance is the system of rules, practices, and processes by which a company is directed and controlled. In simple words, it's how companies are managed to make sure everyone plays fair, tells the truth, and makes good decisions. It keeps companies honest, fair, and safe, just like school rules help students behave. Why is it important? Without corporate governance, big bosses might cheat, workers might hide mistakes, customers might get tricked, investors might lose money. With good corporate governance, everyone is responsible. People tell the truth, rules are followed, trust grows. Think of it like a referee in a football match. Without rules, players would fight and cheat. But with a referee, the game is fair. Who's involved in corporate governance? Let's meet the key players. Board of directors. Like school principals, they oversee the company's CEO, chief executive officer. Like the head boy or girl, runs daily work. Shareholders. Like parents, they own the company. Auditors. Like examiners, they check for honesty. Each of them plays a part in making sure the company does the right thing. Real-life example. Let's say there's a bakery company called Sweet Treats. If the boss starts using cheap, unhealthy ingredients but lies about it, people could get sick. Good corporate governance would catch that. The board would ask questions, the auditors would check the facts, and the truth would come out. Here's a quote by Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest businessmen. "It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently." That's why good governance matters. So, corporate governance is like the rules of a good game or the structure of a safe building. It protects everyone, employees, customers, and investors, and makes companies strong and trustworthy. Set clear rules, watch carefully, tell the truth, do the right thing. That's the power of corporate governance. Comment below, should companies be punished for hiding mistakes? Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next topic.